Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download R interpreter in RStudio. First, we need to go to the Chrome browser. In your start menu and open Chrome browser. Then type google.com. In this, just type download RStudio and R. R is an interpreter language, so we need to download the R interpreter, and RStudio is the IDE which is used to work with R programming language. First, we need to download and install the R interpreter. For that, you need to click the download link, and here, based on your operating system, you need to select which part you are going to download: Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. Currently, I am using my Windows, so click Windows. In this, so if this is your first time, even though it's your first time to install R interpreter, you need to click this install R for the first time. Click on this. In here, you just click the first link which is shown in the top left corner, which is download R 4.4.0 for Windows, which is 82 megabytes. So if you click on this, your file location will be shown. So just download it, and then moving on to the next step, which is the second one, the downloading the RStudio IDE. Just click on this, download RStudio. It will be shown like this, and automatically the download link will be appear, and you just click save to download. If you have download this, you would have seen something like this. The R interpreter will be shown like this. You just try to install the R interpreter first. If you click on this, it automatically show like this. So try to install it. First, you need to install this particular file. Then the second file would be like this. This is the latest version. This is the latest version for RStudio IDE 2024. You try to install this. After installing RStudio or interpreter, why I'm saying this, because it will be showing the error which shows that the R interpreter does not support RStudio. Some error will be shown. To overcome this, first install R 4.3.3 Win. Secondly, you need to install RStudio to 2024 version. So this is a simple thing. After installing, you could get the RStudio icon like this. The RStudio would be open, and it would be the interface of RStudio would be like this. And in the next video, we'll be discussing about the RStudio and its options, features, and all the details are in this particular window. I hope you would have understand my video. Thanks for watching.